What they saw?
You say they go do wetin?
Odogu, I dey love that area scatter. I dey go cause some wahala for that community. Make dem know say men dey. Odogu, see, they get mind, they knock smaller shot. Wetin smaller do them? The egu na for Ndobi Karaka. Then they see smaller, small pikin wey get bright future. Then they knock am short. For wetin na? For wetin? Odogu on the normal, me no say Kala no dey enter them. But I won't go let them know say I go cause a wahala, I go chase men, I go clear them, I go clear the community, I go turn the place to burial ground. Make them know say men laugh. They get mind, they carry stones inside market. Odogu, for my head they knack. He paid me. That stone paid me. So while I'm tired, I go carry for my headband. Personally, if you pay me, I go put it on my back. I go back up. Odogu, I go back up. Allow me make I go cause a wahala for this place.
G-boy, why they do like actor when no they die for film? Make I ask you, G-boy. You don't Facebook Jagaban and the squad before. See, relax. Make it no bad and bad for your body.
Hey, back where? Nothing go capito me go make me no make this work man. Nothing go capito me.
Where you? Relax or say so.
Hey, I don't want to relax. I don't want to relax. Nothing go capito me go make me relax. Jagaban no know me. Me, I don't know Jagaban. But at the boss in there, I go drop person, make them know say, person like the German Shepherd. Person like the German Shepherd. Love the unit.